Are you tired of spending hours on messy diagrams that fail to capture your ideas? Imagine effortlessly turning your complex concepts into stunning professional visuals in just minutes. That's exactly what EdrawMax does. It's not just another diagram tool. It's packed with AI-powered features that make creating diagrams faster and easier than ever before. Stick around, because I'll not only show you why everyone is switching to EdrawMax, but I'll also share an exclusive pro tip at the end to help you create jaw-dropping diagrams like a pro. Let's talk about ease of use. Because when it comes to creating diagrams, EdrawMax makes it effortless from the start. The moment you open the tool, you'll notice how simple and intuitive it is. No more cluttered screens or wondering where to begin. Instead, you're greeted with thousands of ready-to-use templates for everything from flowcharts and mind maps to organizational charts, and even floor plans. With over 210 types of diagrams to choose from, you're not just covered, you're empowered. Simply pick a template, and you're ready to create stunning visuals in no time. And here's the best part. You'll never have to stare at a blank page again. Now, let's talk about getting started. Whether you need an organizational chart, a timeline, or something custom, it's ridiculously simple. Just click New Project, choose your category, and drag and drop the elements you need. That's it. You're good to go. Here's where EdrawMax really shines: the pre-built symbol library. It's loaded with thousands of options to jumpstart your creativity. But here's the cool part: AI symbols. Just type in your idea and let AI do the work for you. Or upload an image, and it'll instantly turn into a custom symbol. Fast, easy, and completely unique. And customization? That's where the magic happens. Everything is in your hands. Shapes, sizes, colors. You name it. Say goodbye to boring visuals and hello to diagrams that truly pop. Now, let's talk about one of EdrawMax's smartest tools. Its AI-powered features. Imagine this. You need a flowchart for a hiring process, or a SWOT analysis for your business plan. Instead of hours of trial and error, just type what you need. In seconds, the AI creates a professional quality diagram for you. No endless tweaking, no wasted time. Just results that look amazing, fast. And here's something even cooler. With AI analysis, you can upload a document, like a PDF, Word file, or text, and the AI instantly turns it into a mind map or flowchart. Got a report to summarize? Upload it and watch it transform into an organized visual ready for presentation. The best part? It's not just fast, it's smart. EdrawMax's AI tools streamline everything from brainstorming to reporting, saving you hours of manual effort. Once you've created your diagram, why not make it stand out? That's where EdrawMax's one-click Beautify feature comes in. It's like having a magic wand for your diagrams. Instantly switch between gorgeous themes with a single click. Need even more inspiration? EdrawMax's templates. Community offers over 30,000 editable templates, designed by industry professionals. Whether you're planning a project, mapping a process, or making business decisions, you'll always find the perfect starting point. And when it's time to share your work, EdrawMax makes it seamless. Upload and share your files online for easy collaboration, or export them as PDFs, PowerPoints, Excel files, or even Visio diagrams. With multi-format compatibility and cloud storage, your files are synced across devices, so you're always ready to work, anywhere. Here's a pro tip to speed up your workflow. Learn the keyboard shortcuts. They're simple to pick up and will save you tons of time. But that's not all. EdrawMax also offers advanced features, like embedding links or adding data to your diagrams. These little touches turn your visuals from good to extraordinary, making them interactive and functional for presentations, reports, or even training sessions. So, can EdrawMax really make diagramming this easy? Absolutely. With its AI-powered tools, endless customization options, and over 30,000 templates, it's hard to imagine a tool that does it better. Whether you're brainstorming, presenting, or collaborating with a team, EdrawMax has you covered. Seriously, this is one tool you've got to try for yourself. Head to the link in the description and see how it can transform the way you work. And before you go, Don't miss my video on the best tools for creators. It's packed with tips to help you work smarter, not harder. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more productivity tips, and I'll see you in the next one.